to all. Our project is monitoring of heartbeat and pulse rate using wireless technology. Stethoscope is a device is used to analyzing cardiac and pulmonary disease. Acoustic stethoscope does not contain recording option and it can show any graphical image. The scope of our project is to build a digital stethoscope and pulse sensor model that allows to detect the heart sound using sound sensor. The signal is processed using amplifier to hear laptop sound in speaker and it can shown as a graphical image and pulse sensor model to detect pulse value and blood oxygen level of the human body. These parameters are continuously monitored using wireless technology. It would also help doctor to maintain regular checkup for patient from far end.
So I'm going to explain each block of our block diagram. I'm starting from the mic. So the condenser mic which get a signal of 20 to 200 Hz from heart. When the sensor detects a sound and it processes an output signal voltage which is sent to the preamplifier. So the preamplifier is a two-stage transistor amplifier and it operates at 3 to 9 volt DC power supply and it is used to adjust the gain of the amplifier. So the signal is further sent to the amplifier which we used 2X15W digital audio stereo amplifier module board TPA3110 and it operates at 12 volt and its frequency range is 20 Hz to 20 kHz and it is used to reduce the noise and the unnoised output signal is sent to the speaker and to the microcontroller.
Next we are going to see about Arduino and speaker. In Arduino we are using Atmega 328 microcontroller and it comes with number of features like timer, counter, interrupt, PWM, CPU and it based on the 16 MHz crystal oscillator. It can be regulated and limit 5 volt or 3.3 volt. It can support external power up to 12 volt and it has 14 input and output digital pins and 6 analog pins. Next we are going to see about speaker. We are using a dynamic speaker. It work on the same basic principles of microphone dynamic, but it reverses the sound to produce the electrical signal by which we are getting a heartbeat sound by using an amplifier which gives the heartbeat sound.
Next we are discussing about hardware and software of our project. The first hardware components are pulse sensor. It has max 30-100 integrated pulse oximetry and heart rate sensor. The main function of the pulse sensor is measuring the absorbance of pulsing blood through photodetector and then optimized for reading the data through tips of one's finger. The signal is processed by a low analog signal processing unit and communicated to the Node MCU. The next hardware components are Node MCU. We know it is an open source IoT platform. It includes firmware which runs on ESP8266. After processing the pulse sensor, the Node MCU gets displayed using wireless technology. Next we are discussing about software of our project. In our project there are two softwares are used. First one is Arduino IDE, second one is Blink app. Arduino IDE. It is an open source IDE device which supports C and C++ language using a special rules of coding structure. In this project we have to process the sound signal and display the output in the form of graphical image. The next one is Blink app. It is an application that sums over Android and iOS device to control any IoT based application using smartphones. It allows to create graphical user interface for IoT application. In our project we use this application to display the pulse value as an IoT device. So I'm going to discuss some of the applications. So first of all, it is easily portable one and it can monitor heart rate in remote areas and this could help doctors to maintain regular health checkup from far end and it has great frequency range and frequency filtering and excessive transmitted in white noise.
Let us see the demo of the project. The stethoscope is connected with the mic. This is preamplifier is used to increase the gain of the amplifier and the signal is sent to amplifier to remove the unwanted noise. This is Arduino board. The unnoised sound is processed in this microcontroller, and a 3-watt speaker is connected with this amplifier. Whenever the stethoscope is kept in this chest, a signal detects in the amplifier and processed to give a sound as lub dub. And this is the pulse sensor used to detect the pulse value. This is the whole hardware setup. The pulse value and analog signal is continually monitored using IoT device as shown as output image.
I am Arpit. My contribution in the project is to implement the design of sound processing interface of our project.
My role in this project is to implement the application of the heartbeat sound.
I am Dinesh Kumar. My contribution is to implement the pulse sensor interface of our project.
I am Charles. My contribution is to implement software design of our project.